Look at it do!
Having a treadmill in the house is almost an essential piece of gear, especially during these COVID times. But what do you do when you start getting that LS1 low speed error on your Sole F80 treadmill? Let's fix it in 1 minute. First, you're going to want to take off this cover and unscrew all the screws holding it down. Next, take the cover off and expose the motor and all the electronics. Make sure you turn off and unplug the treadmill before you start any work. Locate the speed sensor on the left-hand side next to the belt and notice the magnets on the wheel. Ensure that the sensor is in good working condition and about 1/8 of an inch away from the magnets. Follow that line all the way down to the circuit board. Carefully pull off the white piece in the top left-hand corner. Then proceed to pull off the other piece connected to it. Now carefully plug the speed sensor back into the circuit board. Proceed to plug the treadmill back in and turn it back on. Hit that start button, hit your speed, and get ready because it's going to move. And start walking. You should no longer have any error messages on your treadmill. Hey, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.